Hi, I'm Mikolai, Product Manager here at Walters Surface Technologies, and today we'll be doing a live demonstration of our brand new grinding wheel, the FLEXCUT XX. What makes the FLEXCUT XX special is that it's constructed with our self-sharpening ceramic grain, combined with our smart resin technology to optimize removal rates and control wear to increase durability. The FLEXCUT XX also features a diamond-shaped pattern on the face of the wheel to allow for a cooler grind and a more controlled surface finish. The FLEXCUT is a Type 29 shaped wheel, meaning that it's flared out and allows you to increase the surface contact area while working on the piece, as well as grind at lower angles more comfortably. For our application today, we'll be working with a rolled sheet of stainless that's formed into a cylinder and then welded together. The particular alloy is the AL6XN stainless alloy, known for its very high hardness and corrosion resistance. This alloy is often used in the food, chemical, or marine industries. The task we have at hand is to remove surface imperfections on the internal and external surfaces. These could be weld spatter, weld beads in this case. The product we selected to do the job is obviously the FLEXCUT XX. Due to its capacity to remove material quickly, offer a wide surface contact patch, and its T29 shape to work on the curved surfaces without gouging, it will be the optimal grinding wheel to effectively and efficiently remove imperfections while maintaining the original part's geometry. For today's demonstration, we'll be pairing our FLEXCUT XX with our brand new 5-inch angle grinder. This new tool features a 2000 watt brushless motor technology, making it the highest power angle grinder available on the market. The grinder is also equipped with various different features, including a removable dust filter, power indicator light, as well as comfort features such as our auto balancer to increase productivity and maximize comfort. So as we just saw, combining the FLEXCUT XX ceramic grinding wheel with our brand new brushless high-powered angle grinder allowed us to quickly and effectively remove welds and imperfections on the internal curved surfaces and external surfaces of our cylinder. The FLEXCUT XX allowed it to leave a consistent and smooth finish on the surface without altering the part's geometry. The disc is also rated to be contaminant-free, meaning that we will not cause any corrosion or contamination on our stainless parts. The FLEXCUT XX is available in 4.5, 5, 6, and 7-inch diameters to meet any of your application needs. If you have any questions or require additional information about this product, please feel free to reach out to our inside sales teams.